Alright, so millennials ain't killing off motorcycles. Two things is happening. One, the ones who want to ride, we don't make enough to buy a Harley or the higher expensive bike, so we buy a nice cheap old used bike, build it up, make it reliable. It's the generation before us who scared a lot of us from getting on a bike to begin with. You know, fear is a strong source. You get somebody scared of something enough, they'll never touch it, they'll never look at it, they'll never go near it. And a lot of the older generation scared the generation they were bringing up, us millennials, from bikes. We were never exposed to it. We were only told bad things. We were only shown bad pictures. So a lot of our generation grew up being afraid or hating motorcycles and motorcyclists, either with the image of the only people that ride this are gangbangers and what have you. Sorry about that. Or what have you. So what's going to be the first thing that travels through people's mind who get scared of something like that? They're going to try to stay as far away from possible from it, and they're never going to get near it. Or like, for example, got one friend, their mama got onto this crackhead's moped that didn't know what he was doing and tried to take it through a trail. Hit a tree root and bucked both of them off of it. Mama got scared of motorcycles, told my friend all the bad things about motorcycles and what they can do and that they're dangerous and nobody ever looks out for you and da 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 da. Well, now my friend is scared to touch them. You know, passing on fear about anything throughout the generations is going to cause the next generation to fear the same thing. It goes the same way with racism or anything like that. It gets passed on through generations. And even if you don't try to pass it on forever, you'll eventually pass it on forever by trying to stop them from doing it now. So you've always got to find different ways of figuring out the best way to tell somebody a story without scaring them away from, you know, trying out motorcycles or liking them or stuff like that. You know, that one person that gave you a bad experience, don't cause that to make you not want to try it again. So leave that for food for thought. This is the Viking. I'm signing out. Catch y'all later.